Testing 1 2 3 3 2 1. What is up, everyone? This is Carlos Sanchez, aka Sneak Geeks, coming at you with another cryptocurrency news report. And the first thing, top of the news, is, as everyone can see, or as everyone knows, is the title of Ethereum breaches $304 and presently $304.27. So this is just a quick recap of the market, and let's move this up here. Let's take a look here, and as we can see from CoinMarketCap, and we're going to just go over quickly. So Bitcoin's at 28.91 presently, Ethereum at 304.27, Ripple at 27 cents, NEM at 20, Ethereum Classic at 17.79, Litecoin at 30.20, Dash at 150.43, and BitShares is also on a rip at 40 cents. And then I'm going to scroll down. Steem is at $2.49. So that is the quick recap. I'm going to show you here on Bittrex and what's the action there now. On Bittrex, we could see it is at the bid and ask. The bid is at 104, so that's 1,000,004, and the ask is at 1,000,005. So 302 is the bid and 305.63 is the ask on Bittrex for Ethereum. So looks good, man. It's good news. Very exciting, and also a little nerve-wracking. Let me move my head again, because I think things I was saying, I'm kind of blocking those prices there. Let's shift this over here, and maybe you can get a better view of the prices there. So let's see, one other thing we wanted to go over, because I got to run, is a mining recap. So this morning on Hashnest doesn't have any affiliate codes or anything like that, but Hashnest, I was at, let's see, for L3, which is a script miner. Let's go into the stats. I was at about 165 mega hashes this morning, and presently, as we're waiting for the page to refresh, I'm at 300 and some change. Let's see, 345 mega hashes. If you could see here, the maintenance for it is 4.45%. So that is extremely low. It's the lowest I've ever seen on any cloud mining website. And like I've mentioned in the past, with Hashnest, it's not a contract. What you do, it's an open market where people bid on the price they're willing to pay. So this person here is bidding 2.8324791 LTC for 10 mega hashes, and this person up here is selling it for 2.283 So that's how you get in on the mega hashes. You bid what you want to pay. So that's kind of cool, because you don't have to actually get in on what the asking price is. You could bid a little bit lower, and if you hit on the history, you can check out the history of what's been going on. And as we can see here, the price has been going up a little bit in the past 30 minutes. Let's see, hour again going up, and the daily view not as high as it was when it first launched, but we can see what's going on there. So yeah, so I went in and purchased about 130 mega hashes. Let's see my trade history. We did, as you can see here, this was all done this morning. So yeah, so I'm not saying I'm going all in, but I saw the price of Ethereum going up. I had to make a decision what to do with Ethereum, whether to cash out a little bit, but I want to avoid any taxes on that. So I'm thinking I'm just going to ride that out with Ethereum, and for the short term anyway. And then, so then I decided that I was going to just get into increase my Litecoin script mining hash rate. And I did that here on Hashnest. So I'm pretty happy with that. As we can see right now, I got 0.13 balance in Hashnest. And So I just did this update. If what I mean by an update is I checked how much I had generated in the past, like I did it about half an hour ago or so, and so it was at $2.87 was my balance. As we refreshed this and put in my new balance, now it's at $3.88, so I made $1 in the past hour, and that is confirmed by, let's see, this here. This number is not accurate as far as how much it cost, but yeah, making about 86 cents an hour there, but $20.55 a day on Hashness. So, and as you know, another good option that does have discounts is Genesis Mining. If you want to do some Ethereum mining or do some Bitcoin mining. And just to show you my, let's see, my Dash X11 is at 336 as of 6/8. I don't that hasn't been updated yet, but 1800 put in and it's at 636, so it's about 1/3 of the way there on getting an ROI from Genesis Mining. So 315 mega hashes. Gonna give you a look at Give Me Coins. Right now it says 129 mega hashes. My balance is 0.12. Let's look at this here. And so I'm averaging about I would say about 0.117, 0.2 LTC a day on Give Me Coins, but it's merge mine, so it also it's merge mine, so I'm also getting Dogecoin, getting Syscoin, getting Via Coin, and it's a free pool. It's a very small pool, but you know I've been there for a long time, so I'm digging it. And then I'm gonna show you my in Silicon 275 mega hash. Right now it's showing 258 mega hashes on litecoinpool.org. If you remember, I had posted that there was F2 pool had over 50% and recommending for people to switch over. So since I've been here, we've gotten 23 Litecoin, almost 24 Litecoin in return from this pool, and I'm pretty satisfied with that. I mean, when I first started, it was 0.76 every day, and now we're at 0.56. So that's the issue with all this, right? With all this mining is the difficulty bomb. So if difficulty goes up, my profits are obviously going to go down. But difficulty usually chases the price. So as the price goes up, then the difficulty will go up. So it may be it may even all out at the end. If difficulty goes up, then and if we go here and we look at the Litecoin difficulty chart on, this is Bitcoin Wisdom, go real quick, and we can see right now, oh, there was a little drop in difficulty. That's interesting to see, and a big drop in hash rate. Wow. You can see these numbers here. Let me look at something. Present difficulty is at 252. The next difficulty, we expect a drop of 20%. That's huge. Down to 201,000. So that is going to be accelerating the earnings. Very cool. You can see in this chart here, you see the green light is the green graph here is the estimated next difficulty, and where the difficulty now is in this red, and you see the step. There was a huge step up and then a little step down. That's why I like Litecoin mining, script mining. It's the difficulty doesn't go up as much as rapidly as Bitcoin, but Bitcoin difficulty goes up every 2 weeks. Litecoin difficulty adjusts every 3 days. So and while we're at it, let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin difficulty. And presently it's at 678,000. Estimated next difficulty, an increase of 13.58% at 770. I said 770 billion. It's so it's 678 billion presently, and it's going to go up to 770 billion, so an increase of 13.58%. That is the problem with I see as a problem and a big challenge with mining Bitcoin. And let's see what else we were going to get into. I think that was really it, man. So if you look, I was looking on eBay, looking at some miners there, specifically looking at the L3. And let's see, L3 Plus, you know, doesn't get delivered to August, September. Someone's asking $21.99, but you can actually order it on Bitmain that same August, September shipping date here for $12.91. So you can get it for, you know, a huge discount. So no sense in buying here unless you want to buy with a credit card. Otherwise, you gotta buy right through Bitmain and send money directly, Bitcoins or Litecoins to them. I'm not sure if they accept Litecoin or Bitcoin. Let's move my head one more time. So I'm going really quick through this vid because I have to head to Brooklyn. I'm heading out to Brooklyn to take care of some family stuff. And so that was really it, everybody. I want to let you know about the Ethereum has breached $304. I'll let you know that I just doubled up in my script mining on Hashnest, and another what I consider mining is on Steemit. So I just also did an upgrade on Steemit. Let's see, I did 8.7 Steem this morning, but last night I did, where is that, 54 Steem I bought last night. So that is the deal with that. And we are getting calls in. So I'm about to head out, everybody. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video where I want to do an in-depth ICO video. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And yeah, so please consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And also, if you like the video and the information, give me a thumbs up. And don't hesitate to share the video. Follow me on Steemit. I'm giving away Steem to followers, new followers that post comments on the video that I celebrated my 100 follower. And now I'm, you could see here, we're at, let's go back here. I'm at 148. Got some Steem rewards there. I'm going to redeem those rewards. And so I can power up a little bit more. And let's refresh that. Looks like we got some more rewards. Let's do it again. Redeeming. And there we go. Powering up. And so yeah, Steem has been a good buy. You know, we bought in at around a little bit over $1. Never got under $1 for me. But as you can see here, 2,300 Steem is worth 5,800 according to their average. I don't know what the actual what the price is right now. So Steem's at 249. So yeah, it's all good. So that's it, everybody. Stay tuned for the next vid where we do an in-depth ICO, and I'm also going to be doing a video on wallets and the best mobile wallets out there. Peace, everyone. See you in the next one.